Welcome all to the Vitamin C channel where we talk about cash, career, clarity. Well, during this pandemic times, the biggest and the burning question is pizza or pasta, ya Khakhra or Thepla? Well, we have with us Miss Aayushi Vyas, who is going to be talking to us about the health and fitness goals which should be followed every time. She's a certified nutritionist and a fitness trainer. Welcome Ayushi to the Vitamin C channel.
Thank you so much. So, pizza and pasta and khakra and thepla. To be honest, not a pizza nor a pasta, no thepla and not even a khakra. It's better to have chaach every day.
Oh, that's something surprising that we our viewers will be hearing. So, Ayushi, before we begin, could you please tell us something about yourself?
So, it's been almost 5 years in the field, and I'm a certified nutritionist. I'm a trainer. I'm trained into everything, each and every vertical of fitness, and actually working with have worked with more than 1,000 clients who are diabetic, who have been into Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, all sort of clients. And specifically this COVID situation where you talk about diet, I think it really matters a lot what you eat.
Right.
The most important. Tell me one thing, very, very small thing. Can you really imagine your whole life carrying sanitizers, carrying mask and all? Or the other option is better to keep yourself fit from inside if your defense mechanism is high.
Obviously, the defense mechanism is high. That's the best option that we
So
got.
while eating proper food, you can actually make your defense mechanism high. No need to be externally carrying things, putting something internally, making your body internally fit that you don't feel sick at all. And that
Right.
can help you a lot.
Okay. So, in this COVID times, what is the advantage of having a proper diet, or otherwise also, even non during non-COVID times, what is the importance of having a good diet?
See, if you have a proper diet now, your body is like a water. It takes this shape of a vessel.
Okay.
So if you eat properly, it's not just about COVID or any particular virus. It's like forever.
Right.
Forever, you are just making sure that your cells, your body is made up of cells and water. You're providing appropriate amount of food to them, like we provide appropriate amount of food to plants. They grow
Right.
well.
Right.
They get proper water. They grow well. They get proper sunlight. They grow well. In that way, the body also need proper nutrient. So try and balance your diet in between your carbs, proteins, and fats in that manner that you don't fall sick. Your defense
Okay.
mechanism is high. Your respiratory tract is clear, and nothing is difficult with the diet. When you
Mhm.
are at home, the resources which are available at home, the way our ancestor used to say, eat a lot of ghee. I would really suggest eat a lot of ghee. It's
Right.
going to increase your immunity.
Right.
It's going to help you out a lot. Rather than putting ghee aside, rather than putting milk aside, use them every day. Try and use a lot of vitamin C in your diet.
Okay.
If you go with the seasonal fruits, like you can have strawberries, kiwis, oranges, try and add curd. The best things which I'm telling you, it's going, if you just make a consistency with these things, it's going to help you a lot in the long term way.
Okay. So, one of the key questions well people have during this times is exercise more important or is diet more important?
See, I can just give you one example. Like if you are working out from 6 months and you are following a diet, in between, if you stop working out for a month but you are following your diet, you
Mhm.
are still going to be in your shape because
Okay.
you are going to eat a proper food. Now I think you got your answer well.
Right.
So 70% work is all about dieting, eating what is
Okay.
correct for you.
Okay. So, say for example, somebody like me who's not that much of a diet
Hmm.
lover
Hmm.
person.
Hmm.
Uh, if I follow a diet for a month
Hmm.
or say 2 months and then
Hmm.
I leave it up,
Hmm.
will that be advantageous to me or will it carry a lot of disadvantages?
See, I'll say it depends how do you leave it. Like if you are just following a diet for 2 months and achanak you will get back to eating junk every day, it's going to be very difficult for you.
Okay.
It's going to actually work badly on your metabolism rate,
Right.
and you can fall sick very early. It will decrease your immunity levels.
Right.
But if I believe, chalo, not eating exactly proper thing, like having cutting carbs every day, rather than that eating ghar ka khana, what is available at home,
Okay.
eating proper food, lekin
Okay.
not proper dieting, still
Okay.
it would be beneficial.
Okay. So, I usually a lot of people have this things that you need fancy ingredients today to cut down the weights and all, or you need certain kind of high protein things or the extra the artificial shakes. So do you as a fitness expert vouch for those things?
See, it depends on person to person. I personally don't provide anything artificial. I don't let them go to the whey proteins also up till the time they don't need it.
Okay.
I have clients who have been 105. Right now, I have a client who is 147.
Okay.
And in a month, only and only eating the food which is available at home. Obviously, like paneer and things you need to go and buy from outside.
Right.
But the resources which are available in that way, he has now cut down to 141.
Okay.
5 kgs of loss in a month.
Okay, that's amazing.
And again, if I say there are other clients also whom we have worked for like for a year, like coming from 125 to 87 now, they have really consistently followed a diet, and I didn't let them use that artificial things. I believe till the time you have resources, why do you want to go with whey proteins? Why do you want to go with something else? If you can
Okay.
get proteins from paneer, if you get your protein from eggs, why do you want to go for the artificial things? So I personally believe try and make it more easier,
Right.
convenient forever. It's not for a time being you have to diet, you have to get back into the shape. No, it's forever. Try and make it a lifestyle.
Right. Okay, that's amazing. So our viewers would have a lot of clarity now that what you know घर का खाना will give you that weight loss, or घर का खाना will give you that immunity that is needed for your day to day routine energy. Well, Ayushi, just one last question. Uh, how is your journey so far, and what is something you would like to give to our viewers that who wants to be a fitness expert or who wants to be fitter in their lives?
See, I would just say that journey so far has not been easy, but nothing is easier in life. It's the second city. We used to work in Pune. I have gone certified from other city, then coming over here, then establishing here, and all in all, whatever the journey has been, the way I have learned, initially I was just into fitness. I was just getting into fitness. Then I parallelly thought that, to get into fitness, I need to learn from scratch. So I took admission in Pune University to learn more about nutrition. Then from particular academy, I've learned about sports nutrition. So I'm a clinical nutritionist also, and I'm a sports nutritionist also. Apart from that, I'm trained into each and every vertical of fitness. You name it, and I'll make it do to you. Like if you say if you want to do a Pilates sessions, I'll make it done. So when you want to learn something, learn it from scratch.
Right.
I believe that if you don't have knowledge properly, like half knowledge is dangerous. Exactly. So you need to know everything. Anatomy of body also, anatomy of what you eat, and how does it affect to your body.
Okay.
In that way. So if you really want to get into this, the only thing what drove me was when I was expecting, I was thinking, I was a sports person since like a teenage. I used to play football, I used to play basketball. And when I was gaining at that way in 2014, when I was conceiving, I was like, yeah, I don't want to gain that much of weight. And that time, India was not much into this, that while pregnancy, post pregnancy, you need to control your weight. But I made sure that I control my weight. That was something which really drove me over here.
Okay.
Okay, I have to make sure that it's not just about getting out of weight.
Right.
It's about getting back into that shape, getting back that confidence, and being happy the way you look.
Right.
Everybody gains a lot of confidence when they get back into your shape. It doesn't mean that people who are in bad shape, they don't have a confidence, but I believe something which makes you happier is from inner side is your confidence.
Right.
And which comes when you are confident in the clothes which you wear at time, obviously with work and all, but the way you look, it matters the most to everyone these days.
Right.
So it's very important to make sure that at least not being like zero figure, but at least your core should be strong. You should look fit. You should be fit from inside. That matters the most.
Right. Okay, Ayushi. So anybody wants to get connected to you, how do they connect with you?
So I have my Insta handle by the name of transformation underscore expert Aayushi Vyas, and my website address is www.fettle.zone, and you can connect me on Facebook also by the name of Aayushi Vyas.
Right. So, members, the link of connecting to Ayushi is there in our description box. Please do check it out. And please do like, share, and comment this video and let us know what kind of videos you are looking forward to see at Vitamin C.